Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the Royalton Splash Punta Cana looking at their water park. All 7 of these slides have been newly renovated. Just finished last week, actually. Today's date is the 15th of May, 2024. So you got a black closed-in slide there. You got the speedster right there. You got the racing. And you got some other ones over there. Boom. Zoom in on that. Pretty fun place. Got a wave pool here. It's gonna be like 15 minutes on. 15 minutes off, 10 minutes on. Over here we have an area for kids under 3 feet 9 inches that is undergoing renovation. The bigger area is for kids 3 foot 9 and over, and I guess that would put myself in the said category. But you see they're just scraping away. They're getting some maintenance on this, making sure that it's extending its lifespan and making sure it's safe. Yeah, little area for smaller kids. There's no food here. Over here, you have a bar that serves non-alcoholic drinks. They have strawberry, mango, pina colada, and a coconut drink, frozen. They also have coffee. Royalton Bavaro Diamond Club guests. So those people can come over here at 10 a.m. with a shuttle that's included, if they're in the Diamond Club, and then at 1 p.m. as well. The only shuttle back is at 5 p.m. So I just checked Uber. It's about a $7 ride. Taxi is going to be $10. If you are at the Royalton Bavaro and do not have a Diamond Club room, this is going to be $35 per person per day. If you are here during the lunchtime hours from the Royalton Bavaro, you can use the buffet here to eat at. Looks like we got somebody about to go down this thing. Let's see what happens. Wait for it. Come on, young lady, you can do it. I can't see her. She's covered up by the green thing, but I can see the lifeguard's head above there. Trying to help her get accommodated. There she comes. There we go. That's that. I always call that one a toilet bowl. Get in there and then you go around and around and around and then you're flushed out. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Got lifeguards all around here. No alcohol's allowed in here whatsoever. We got security that's going to make sure that you have not been, that you are not intoxicated. So this is a fun family sober day over here at Royalton Splash. All guests of Royalton Punta Cana have access here, but like I said, Royalton Bavaro, only Diamond Club, and transportation issues, are an issue. But $7 to go home early, go back to your resort early if you have the Uber app, or 10 if you don't. That's not the end of the world. You're on vacation, spend a little bit. Well, again, this is David Phelps, my honest travel agent, 770-783-1656 at the Royalton Splash Punta Cana. Give me a call, let me price out your vacation. Let's see if I can show you some superior customer service and save you some money at the same time. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.